Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Health and Lifestyle. This is a channel that if you're looking for a way to lose weight or to maintain your weight, this should be your channel that you should consider subscribing, because I share a lot of healthy recipes that help you maintain or lose weight. And in this video, I'll be showing you this ginger turmeric shot that is a mind-blowing, fat-burning ingredient that you should consume early in the morning in an empty stomach, and you will thank me later. I will be displaying the ingredients for this ginger and turmeric shots that is going around the internet very viral. So these are just basically the ingredients. I'll be needing some ginger, some turmeric, some citron or lemon, some mint, and some oranges. So those are the ingredients I'll be using. So I'll be chopping that into smaller pieces so that I can blend into my blender. And that's just it. Chop everything. Chop the ginger, chop the turmeric, and prepare the lemons and the oranges and the mint as well, and just prepare everything together and blend with a little amount of water, depending on what quantity and the concentration of the shot you want. If you want it very concentrated, you add less water, and if you want it less concentrated, add more water so that the ginger wouldn't be too harsh for you. If you're someone who is not you're allergic to ginger, or in fact you cannot tolerate a lot of ginger, you can put the amount that your body can tolerate. It's not everybody that eats this amount of ginger anyways, but the way I'll be showing you in this video, the amount of ginger doesn't matter, but the quantity you'll be consuming also matters. So I'll be doing this and freezing it up, and then when it is time for consumption, you can prepare or you can take out the quantity you want for your consumption, which will not be too harsh for you. So if you're someone looking for ways to lose weight, consider subscribing to this channel, because you will not regret it. I share a lot of healthy recipes. These are the recipes that has helped me to lose more than 20 kilograms in in a couple of months. That's 6 months. And I am not a dietitian. I didn't consult a dietitian. I didn't consult a doctor to be able to start on this journey. I just tried these things and they started working for me. Believe me, this may not work for you. Please consult your doctor before you try anything else, because if you're allergic or your body is intolerant to any of the ingredients, please make sure you consult your doctor or your dietitian or whosoever you are directly under, so that they give you the prescription that you need and give you the go ahead to take any of these ingredients. But moreover, most of these ingredients are natural ingredients, which if your body is not intolerant to it would definitely work for almost everybody. If you're not allergic to any of these ingredients, it will work for everybody, because everything is natural. There is no artificial something in it. Everything is just natural. So I'll be sharing with you this very simple ginger turmeric shot. This is my own recipe. People may have shown you many other recipes. I'm showing you what has worked for me. So I'll be adding some cayenne pepper, some black pepper, and some cinnamon to spice this up. Like I said before, this is strictly for weight loss. So everything that is needed for weight loss, this is what I'm including in this video. Okay, turmeric is packed with anti-inflammatory properties and also helps to reduce fat accumulation and support fat metabolism. And we have also ginger, which helps to boost metabolism as well. Aids in digestion, reduces bloating. And the black pepper enhances the absorption of turmeric and boosts your metabolism. And the cinnamon is a crown of it. It helps to regulate your blood sugar and also improve insulin sensitivity. So that is why I'm adding all of these ingredients. And believe you me, you're taking this on an empty stomach, with all of this helping to reduce or boost metabolism. It is what helps you to burn fat. The reason why we have a lot of belly fat and fat deposit in our body, and those stubborn fats in enough share, is because our bodies, the metabolism of our body is not accurate, is not working well. And so whatever we eat, whatever thing we eat ends up as fat in our body. That is why you need this fat metabolism booster, which is this ginger turmeric shot. And now I have blended everything. I blended it so smooth. So I will not, some people will squeeze and throw the chaffs away, but I'm not squeezing anything. I will not squeeze the juice. I want everything plus the fiber, everything to be consumed. So these are just some of the containers I bought. I bought these containers like this with the lids on it, so it makes it very easy for me to freeze them up in my freezer. You can use any other ice maker or ice cube maker. It works so well, but this is what works for my own freezer, and it is so convenient when I close or when I cook this, and it's so good. And then I started decorating this with some mint, and I mean the flavor of this mint is so amazing. It gives that spiciness, it gives that that warmth in the mouth, especially early in the morning, and it refreshes your breath. It brings that refreshness in your breath in the morning. You wouldn't go out and you get that little smell, mouth odor. This mint helps you to really maintain a kind of environment in your mouth. I mean, your partner would testify to this. Okay guys, everything is ready and I'm just cooking them, and I will be freezing this first batch because it was a lot of it and I couldn't freeze everything because all the containers were already occupied and full. So I had to freeze this batch. Like, I did this in the evening, and the next morning I took them out and I freezed the next batch as well. So this is just how you can make your own ginger turmeric shots, from very, very simple, no stress, and so on and so forth. No moving up and down, no squeezing, no stressing. You don't need to stress yourself. Just make your own simple, and you're consuming the fiber, everything. You're taking the fiber plus the nutrients from it, and it's working wonders. It has helped me in my weight loss journey a lot of it. A lot. It has helped me, and it's still helping me. This year, my goal is to lose more than 20 kilograms again. I'm already at 81 kilograms. Meaning by the end of this year, my goal is to land 60 kg. Yes, we will get that goal. And what's your goal for 2025? Let me know in the comment section, and let's encourage each other. There are a lot of people who don't know how to and what to do to lose weight. So this video may be a saving grace for somebody, and share this video to as many people as possible you know that are fighting with weight loss and they are struggling and they don't want to register in the gym or want to stress on doing so much exercises. These are just the simple little adjustments that you can do in your early mornings. Instead of taking breakfast, take this as your breakfast, and then you will enjoy your so wonderful body. And so the next morning, this is how it looked after freezing. And I'm gonna be taking that out and then put it in my Ziploc peppers, and then we freeze the next batch again. So this is just how it looked the next day. And now I'm putting the second batch in the fridge again, and this time around I left it in the fridge for the entire day because I went to work this particular day. So when I came back from work and everything was ready, no stress, guys, no stress. This is just okay and perfect for a season like this, the winter season. We need something hot, and at the same time we need to burn those calories. So this is how it looked. Wouldn't you try this? Look at how delicious it looks. And with the people say that they cannot tolerate the scent and the smell from turmeric. Mixing all of this together, you wouldn't get that strong turmeric smell. And look at this. In the next morning, I'm already on my gym mode. I'm taking 2 cubes of that and then pour some hot water over it and let it simmer for simmer for like 7 minutes, and it's ready. Just like you're preparing your tea in the morning, just like you place a tea bag in hot water, that is what you're doing. It just, as at the moment you're pouring the hot water, the thing just dissolves. Look, everything has already dissolved and it's looking so yummy. So please guys, subscribe to this channel, like and share my video. Comment down below what are your struggles in your weight loss journey, and let's encourage each other. Let's make it a goal this year. What are your goals? How many kilograms do you want to lose? How many pounds do you want to lose this year? Let's encourage ourselves and let's strike a challenge and be an encourager for somebody. It looks so
really
good.
That strong. It doesn't have that really strong scented ginger odor. The lemon just makes it chill, and then the turmeric just elevates it to another level. And drinking this in the morning is just so amazing. Your gut will thank you, and you will thank me later. This is a perfect anti-inflammatory drink, and also good to boost your immunity, especially in the winter season like we have right now when it is very cold. I mean, this will obviously elevate your immunity, elevate your mood, and reduce inflammation. For us women, this helps to reduce menstrual cramp,